Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every kitchen and bathroom, the Novsix Universal 720-degree rotating faucet. If you're looking to upgrade your basin with a splash filter faucet, you're in the right place. Let's get started. This faucet from Novsix isn't just your average bathroom accessory, it's a game changer. Featuring a 720-degree rotation, it offers unparalleled flexibility. Whether you're washing dishes, cleaning vegetables, or even filling up a bucket, this faucet does it all with ease. Let's talk about what makes this faucet stand out. First off, installation is a breeze. No need for tools, simply attach it to your existing faucet and you're good to go. The universal design ensures a snug fit on most standard faucets, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. Imagine being able to direct water exactly where you need it. With its adjustable water stream and full rotation capability, this faucet extender ensures every corner of your sink is covered. It's not just functional. Its sleek design enhances the aesthetics of any space, blending seamlessly into modern kitchen or bathroom setups. Now, let's address some common questions. Customers love the ease of installation and the practicality of its design. It's received high ratings for its versatility and build quality. However, some users have noted varying experiences with water pressure, so it's worth considering your specific needs. Let me show you how easy it is to install. And voila! It's that simple. Now, let's test out its range of motion and see how well it directs water flow. How does this compare to similar products on the market? Well, its 720-degree rotation is quite unique, offering more flexibility than traditional faucet attachments. While other models might focus solely on water conservation or splash reduction, this one combines both features effectively. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom or kitchen with a versatile and stylish faucet, the Novsix Universal 720-degree rotating faucet is a solid choice. Its ease of installation, sleek design, and impressive functionality make it a favorite among homeowners. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy shopping!